It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no option.
So Coach Bart, at this point, this close to competition, what exactly are you looking for in your posing?
Not so much the posing, how tight the skin is, okay. And then by that you can tell how much more carbohydrates they can load up on. And then tomorrow then you kind of judge if they can either eat more or not eat at all. Thing is the hamstring tied into the glute. So that's the glute here and here. This is the hamstring. So what we need to do is make it so it's all one line, like that. So the day of the show, you'll see that real sharp line coming through. That's what we look for in the rear. We're not judging the backs, we're judging the legs and the bum.
So when training a female athlete to pose, what's going to be the difference between, say, a male athlete of similar size?
You train them exactly the same way. The intensity is the same, the exercise is the same. The only thing is their diets is slightly different because I have to deal with more estrogen on the females than the males. But everything else is the same. They have more body fat to start with. That's nothing.
All right. So as you see, the ladies are wearing heels. And I was asking Bart, so exactly why are the women wearing heels if they're trained and judged the very same way as the men?
So their division is the bikini contest. So ultimately what they want to look for is the perfect bikini body. Right, something you can watch on the beach, and then they add, what does a woman normally wear? Jewelry, makeup, hair, shoes. So they add the combination to find the perfect physique. And the physique is supposed to inspire every other girl to say, well, I can achieve that. You know what I mean? It's not like the female bodybuilders, they're so massive that only 1% of the world can achieve. This is the sort of class that is beautiful with muscles.
Parade, shine, you can chase, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day. So I never saw your